All right, we are live on YouTube, Twitch, Kick, supposedly TikTok. So I'm gonna have to see how this looks. Let's see. Let us see how this works. Fingers crossed it actually ends up looking good. Mic check. You guys hear me okay? All right. Can anyone check? Gang. Gang. I am live everywhere. Can you do me a favor and check if my TikTok is live and it's good? I'm not using TikTok Studio. I'm using OBS for TikTok. Anyone can help. Would appreciate it. Anyone down to give me feedback? Would be great. Okay. All right. Where is the chat window? It was here somewhere. Ah, there it is. The multi-chat. Turn this one off. Get rid of this. All right. The multi-chat. Let's see. Do I have guys, if you're watching me on TikTok, I'm using a different platform, right? I'm using OBS. So I'm kind of integrating it right now. So please bear with me if I don't see your messages. I'm just trying to figure this out. Filter. Yeah, I don't think I can see TikTok messages. All right, this looks like I'm going to open Claude. Ask some questions. Forgive me, guys. This is just going to be some sort of test for the first 10, 15 minutes, I guess. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Where are you when I need you? Where are you when I need you? All right, I'm just refreshing TikTok and it doesn't show that I'm live. All right. I was using OBS Stream Elements for Kick, YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok Studio for TikTok. Now I added TikTok to OBS, but I can't see if I am live or not. Also, I can't see the chat from TikTok. All right, this is going to be a bit of an issue. I mean, if I can't find the TikTok chat, then it's probably going to mean that I need to go live on TikTok from TikTok Studio, but I just figured it'll be easier. Just bear with me, gang. Refresh. Did that fix it? Nope. All right. TikTok settings. Audio. This is looking fine. All right, two separate issues. In the chat one is a hard platform limitation, not a config mistake on your end. TikTok chat and multi-chat is not possible. Oh, TikTok hasn't given Stream Elements the API access. Need to pull a chat. In OBS, go to the Stream Elements menu at the very top menu. Looks like I'm configuring this live. Bear with me, guys. Once I fix this, I'll be able to see everybody's messages at the same time. So I don't know if I'm live on TikTok. Can anyone DM me right now? Is there anyone? Can anyone send me like a screenshot? Okay, wait. Okay, wait. DM me. Bro, screenshot and send. I can't see multi-chat. I can't see my live. I can't see how many are watching. At this point, you guys are a ghost to me because I can't see anyone's messages. Maybe if I open TikTok Studio, I'm live on OBS, but maybe on TikTok Studio I could see it. Maybe that's the thing. Okay, wait, actually, no, wait, there's a possible. TikTok hasn't get you API. Ooh. I can't see anyone's messages, guys. If you're on TikTok and you're messaging me, I can't see anyone's messages. I'm trying to configure it, so please bear with me. Please bear with me. Okay, but okay, so just keep the screenshots coming for me, S35, I'd appreciate it. But for now, my question, wait, can I see the chat? I don't see. Okay, I opened TikTok Live Studio. Can someone chat? Can someone write in the chat anywhere? Anywhere can someone write in the chat? I can't even tell if someone's writing in the chat. Can anybody just say hello, hello, hello in the chat on TikTok right now? And if you are, I'm looking at the live chat on TikTok Studio, but I don't see any messages. Okay, so you are messaging on TikTok. I can see your Telegram. You're messaging on TikTok, but I don't see it. Okay, so TikTok Live Studio is useless on this matter. Okay, so I'm closing that. Bro, I'm sorry. You're like my technical support right now. I really appreciate it. I'll give you signals for a week. Okay, let's see one more thing. All right. In OBS, go to Stream Elements, which is here. Okay. And then select TikTok chat. I don't see TikTok chat. Ah, there it is. Wait, I still don't see messages. I need to log in. All right, use QR code. Let's see. I'm using a QR code. I'm logging into TikTok chat. If this is the case, that would be so convenient. That way I can just, I don't need to have TikTok Live Studio and OBS. I don't know if you guys noticed that I've been doing this for the past month and a half or two. Hey, I see the messages. What's poppin'? How you doing, guys? But the problem is I don't know how many people are watching. That is the problem. That is the real dilemma over here. That is the problem. That is the uno problemo. Okay, wait. Yeah, that's my limitation. Is there a way around this? Okay, hold on. Let me ChatGPT. Or actually, I'm using Claude. Okay. Do I get next to your multi-chat so you have both feeds side by side? Okay. Okay, I opened TikTok chat, but now I can't see how many people are viewing. Is there a way to fix that? It'll be nice to have an idea about how many people are watching. The TikTok chat doc is only chat and won't show the viewer account like gifts or say. See your live viewer account, you have to look at one of TikTok's own surfaces. TikTok mobile app, open your own live stream on your phone. Okay, so I have to open TikTok from my phone. But from my phone, I'm not even, it doesn't show that I'm active. Hmm. So I guess this probably means guys, we're figuring things out at the same time, so this is going to be beneficial for you guys. You know, if you guys decide to become streamers, the more you know. Yeah. Okay, so I definitely cannot see myself live. So in this case, I have to create another account. Switch account. Do I have another account? No, I don't have another account. All right, so I'm gonna have to create another account. This is gonna be fun. It's a one-time sign up, guys, so bear with me, please. Six four zero 161 640 161. Alrighty. Oh, baby, I love the way every day. Yeah. Okay, I just created a new account by logging into my account. That's the dumbest thing I've ever done in my life. Okay, let's try that again. Switch account, sign up, I guess, create an account with an email. Well, I'm getting trolled by TikTok. It keeps, okay. Add account. Ooh, wait, I forgot about this. I have another account. I actually have another account that I forgot about. My old trading account. I actually had a trading account, so. Okay. Alright, logging in. Did it work? Your account logged in from a new device. What's poppin'? Alrighty. Okay, so the only way is if I go through another. Yeah, I can see myself now. Live. Gotcha. Okay, so I got. Okay, perfect. So now I can actually. Ah. Ah, now I know. Okay, what's cooking? Okay, can I hear myself? Now I know. Oh, okay, what's cooking? Okay, can I hear myself? Okay, you guys are probably gonna hear myself multiple times. Okay, so this is good. I'm gonna send myself an ice cream cone. I actually got an ice cream cone. That's funny. Okay. Yeah, okay, cool. This is cool. Okay, so this is actually very convenient. I don't like the fact that I can't actually see my how many people are watching, or the fact that I can't mix the TikTok chat with the chart. But you know what? I can't complain. At the end of the day, it is so much better than nothing. So I'm gonna leave this over here. I'm gonna drag this over there. Okay, so now I'm gonna actually be looking at I'm gonna be looking over here. All right, there we go. All right, cool. Perfect. So now the only thing is I'm gonna be looking at the camera directly. So I'm gonna be looking at the camera and I can see your messages. Can I make this font a little bit bigger? Is there any way? TikTok chat, how do I can I make it bigger? I don't think so. Realistically, I don't think so. Okay, so in this case, yeah, I think this is it. Yeah, this is the only way. Yeah. Okay, guys, now the chat is no longer gonna be here. I need to get used to this. Okay, so TikTok chat is gonna be, yeah, this is gonna, I have to alt tab for this. It's gonna need to be here. But I'm always used to it being on the screen. This is gonna be difficult. Um, if I leave it there, hello, you are live, my brother. Yeah. I'm live. I was actually trying to configure stuff with your help. But you guys have been very, very helpful. So I'm good. How do I make the font size bigger for the TikTok chat on OBS? This is so much better. So much better. I love it. So now I can actually look into the charts, zoom in, and you guys are able to see the charts. Maybe I can make it a little bit darker. Maybe that will be better for you guys in terms of viewing. Um, yeah, it looks a lot better. This is too dark for me, so maybe like this. Yeah. So let's see. Um, hell yeah, this is really good. This is good news. This is fantastic news, guys. This is fantastic news. So you guys can see my charts very clearly. There's also the full screen option. It's like YouTube, yeah. And it fits so nicely. And you can also look at it, from side to side like this. And you could zoom in. So when I'm showing you guys the levels, you can see it very clearly zoomed in. And then I can always increase the thing from TradingView. So you guys can see the levels more clearly. I like it. I should have done this a long time ago. I literally struggled between two. Um, I literally struggled between OBS and TikTok Studio, and I was using two cameras. So now I don't have to do that anymore. This is really, really convenient. But the only problem is the fact that the chat uh, on the camera over there, it's really small. It's a fixed layout. Oh, that's actually possible, maybe. Yes. Okay, perfect. You can actually make it bigger. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, perfect. So now this actually worked. I'm so relieved. I'm so relieved about this, guys. Okay, there we go. Yeah, perfect. So now I can literally read everyone's messages very clearly while looking at the camera. So you guys, it's like I'm talking to you. Should have done this a long time ago. This is fantastic. This is beautiful. All right, guys, let's quickly get into the charts before my takeaway is here. So, hello? Hi? All right, I'm coming. On my way. Bye-bye. Looks like my takeaway is here already. All right, guys, you know what? I'm going to end the stream and I'll come back in exactly 30 minutes, okay? Thank you for your patience. I sincerely appreciate it. I'll be back.